Every month, Smart Steps comes up with a dance course involving 9 important activities. Smart Steps has developed a dance warm-up subject which covers all varieties of dance moves for hands, shoulders, hip and legs. This will help us to build dance muscle memory, improves flexibility, good for weight reduction. Finally, it prepares our body for dance. When it comes to dance basics, we train students with innovative teaching techniques. Choreography is not just a dance steps, it's actually creating dance steps based on the type of music, style, event theme, audience, live stage performance or shooting oriented. We train students to consider all these topics for creating dance choreography. Extraordinary moves like jumps, kicks, b-boying, cartwheel or flips always adds a wow factor in dance. For this, we teach basic workouts which are easy to follow and perform a good dance stunts. Dance stretching activity helps our body to relieve muscle strain and dance easy. Interactive discussions on stage concepts, music beats, costumes, expressions, looks, fitness, stamina and healthy food plans. After live training sessions, we share video tutorials to assist students practice at their free time. Every month we conduct Talents Day and Performance Day to build the students' confidence and stage presentation skills. Our back-end team monitors students' practice, participation and attendance to plan a compensation classes for their missed out sessions and to focus on the quality of dance. All these activities gives a good dance training for each and every student. Being a dance teaching passionate, I keep up my personality with different types of activities.